I am going to show you the main features of the PowerPoint software so that if you're using the help feature in the PowerPoint software or if you're searching on Google, you're able to understand the instructions that are given. Microsoft PowerPoint is an example of a presentation software. Let us look at the key terminologies for the Microsoft PowerPoint software. This large panel that you see on your screen is called the slide area. This panel that you see on the left-hand side of your screen is called the slide navigation pane. This area here is known as the ribbon. These are the tabs. So we have File, Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, and View. These are tabs. These are groups. So we have the slides group, the paragraph group, and the drawing group. The lower part of the screen, in this area, we have the status bar that has a few commands. Here we have the Home tab ribbon that is displayed, and it has different groups in it. So we have the clipboard group, we have the slides group, we have the font group, the paragraph group, the drawing group, and the editing group. An important part of the presentation software is the ribbon, which I showed you previously. I'm going to use my mouse to click in this text area. And for this example, I'm going to type the equal sign symbol so that I can show you how to use the launch button that is in the group. I'm going to zoom it up so they can see a little bit better. All right, so here we have the ribbon here. This section is a ribbon, right? And we have different tabs as I stated, right? So here we have the Home tab, and this is a ribbon that is associated with the Home tab. You have the Insert tab, and this is a ribbon. Then we have the Design tab, and the Transitions tab, and so on. So we're going to come back to the Home tab, right? Now the file tab is not gonna give you a ribbon. Instead, it's gonna give you this option to save or open a file or print a file or share a file. Let's go click this icon to go back. All right. So what I'm gonna explain to you now is a ribbon. So here we are on the Home tab, and this is a ribbon that is associated with the Home tab. Different tools are grouped into different categories. So the first group that we have is a clipboard, right? And then another group is the slides, right? And what they did, they put the frequently used common tools in the group, right? Now, where you see this little launch button, it indicates that there are some more tools or icons that cannot be displayed in this font group. So if I was to click on it, here you would see you get a floating dialog box, which would give you some more options, which could not hold in the group which was displayed here. So I'm going to close this, right? So for example, if you're in the paragraph group, and here we have the launch button, this arrow here, when we click on it, we get some more options which were not visible in the paragraph group, okay? So here again, we have the tools which are in groups, and the groups forms a ribbon, and the different tabs indicate the different types of ribbons that you have available in the PowerPoint software. In this top section, we have the Quick Access Toolbar, QAT. This is the only toolbar that is available after 2007. At the top here, we have the title bar. The title bar has the name of the file for the PowerPoint. So in this example, the name of my file is presentation 1. To the right of the title bar, we have the help icon, the ribbon display options, we have the minimize option, maximize, and the option to close the software. Then here below that we have the sign in option if you wish to sign in. Down by the lower part of the status bar here, we have the option to zoom. So if you click this plus button, the slide will be enlarged. If you click the minus button, it will be reduced. And we have the slide sorter here. If I click it back again, then we have the notes section here. So if I click on it, you can actually type your presentation notes, whereby only the presenter would be able to see these notes, okay? So that's it. If you don't want to see it, then you can click on this option here in this status bar to close it so that you don't see it. Some of these buttons in the ribbon have a drop-down menu. So let's look at this example. It has this button that is labeled New Slide. If you click on the top part, you'll get a new slide. However, there is a drop-down menu that is pointing down, and if you click on it, you'll get some additional options to insert a new slide. And if you hover over the other buttons, for example, this one, if you click on this drop-down menu and see that there are other options which are displayed. If you want more space to see your slides, then you can double click on any one of these tabs using your mouse. So if I double click here, so you get more space, you no longer see the ribbon. And if you use your mouse to double click on any one of the tabs, you'll see the ribbon again.